What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Wednesday, March 8th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and always staying blessed. Okay, you guys, we're going to start today here with the surface map showing the high pressure. And we also have a stalled out front here along the Gulf Coast. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in on here. Just excuse this numbers off the mouth of the river. Ever since I've had this software, those numbers been going crazy. I figured that probably reporting station down here is probably all screwed up. So I don't even worry about that with all them numbers going from negatives to positives. But as you can see here, you guys, we have the high pressure located over the northern Gulf here. But we have this front that's situated. This front is even past my friends here in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. And any more sagging to the south, this front may actually come across southeast Louisiana. As I've been watching it all day yesterday when it was way up near Jackson to now that it is coming further south than I expected. So I wouldn't be surprised if this may backdoor its way right on in to southeast Louisiana and we get in on some possibly low humidity. But if not, we will stay in, excuse me, you guys, we will stay in this warm, humid air here across southeast Louisiana. But as I just wanted to show you guys, the good fill air is really not that far away. But I wanted to also show you guys this surface map because that's going to lead us into what we're going to be talking about here across the Central Plains and then Lower Mississippi Valley with this convection as with the upper pattern with this front here that's basically just playing around here across the south is what I like to call it, is just slowly moving back and forth. And we have these disturbances in the upper atmosphere that comes across and along this frontal boundary, this front area, and it does produce some heavy rain as these disturbances do come through here. So you guys, I'm gonna take this off of here. We're gonna take these fronts off. I'm gonna also take these temperatures off, you guys. Let's see. All right. And we're gonna start here with convective outlook day one, you guys. And as you can see, this is basically the same area from yesterday that had the marginal risk from basically Midland, Texas, Abilene, Wichita Falls, extending into parts of southern Oklahoma, and then extending south towards the Dallas area. Isolated severe, strong to severe storms could be possible again today across this area, with hail should be the main primary threat as we're about to take a look at the probabilities, you guys. And as you can see, there's no tornado probability. So that's good news. And as you can see, that's the 5% hail threat within the marginal risk area. And there is no wind threat. So yet again, today, you guys, this is going to be mainly a hail threat here across this area. And as you can see, even extending further east into Arkansas, heading towards Mississippi. Heavy rains, possibly even some rumbles of thunders, even to Jackson, even as far down to maybe even the Mississippi Gulf Coast here near my friends in Ocean Springs could see a shower or thunderstorm today. But let's take a look at the timing and see when these severe hailstorms could possibly be developing. So we're going to take the radar off, you guys. We're going to go to the model here. And I already have it set up to start around 10 o'clock this morning, you guys. All right, let's get it going. Always take a few seconds. All right, and as you can see here, the model almost kind of have it spot on here. We have the big old bulk of rain here across Arkansas, the big chunk of rain there heading eastward. And then we're going to have some scattered showers starting to develop here across western North Texas and southern Oklahoma as the day progresses. And let's just go to about 2 o'clock, you guys. We're going to just, pick some random times throughout the day. You can see this heavy rain starting to approach Jackson here. We have some showers that's probably going to be around the Memphis area. Southern Oklahoma, the Arklatex region, showers and thunderstorms. Even some of these strong cells starting to develop here across northwest Texas near Midland and Abilene. As we move further along into the evening hours here, let's go to about 6 o'clock, you guys. And as you can see, the showers really start to ignite here across northwest Texas, southern Oklahoma. And even as we go Further to the east, you guys, across Mississippi, looks like we have quite a bit of action here across south central Mississippi, Jackson, all the way down to possibly even, like I said, Biloxi, Ocean Springs. And we may even have a few showers pop up here across southeast Louisiana. And that's also, you guys, with that front being so close in our area. That's why we may see a few more showers this afternoon and evening than we have the last few days. And then if we're going to take this into about the overnight hours, you guys, let's go to about midnight here. And as you can see across Oklahoma City, heavy rains. It's spreading east across central Arkansas, you guys. All this is going to mainly be heavy rains with some embedded strong storms, but you really have to be looking out for some flash flooding, you guys, in this area across the southern plains and then eventually into the lower Mississippi Valley as we move along. And this is midnight here, and we're going to go to about 6 a.m. before we segue into convective outlook day 2 for tomorrow. And as you can see, for 6 a.m., heavy storms across the mid to lower Mississippi Valley, Memphis area, extending still all the way west, Arkansas, Oklahoma. All these areas are going to be experiencing some heavy rain. So please be on the lookout for some flash flooding if you're going to be out on the roadways, you guys. And I also want to show you guys, I'm gonna take off the convective outlook real quick. And this is the mesoscale discussion, which it looked like they've taken it off because they had the heavy rainfall advisory still in effect as of early this morning. But I don't see that anymore, but I'm sure it'll be right back later today as these storms start to cook up. All right, you guys, we're going to segue into day 2 here, which will be tomorrow. And as you can see, that marginal risk for severe weather shift slightly east here to add parts of the lower to mid Mississippi Valley, the Memphis area, Jackson, Mississippi, northern Louisiana, Dallas area, still going to be in that marginal risk for some severe weather, possibly mainly in the form of hail, you guys. So we're going to check this out for the probabilities. And as you can see, no tornado threat. The hail threat 5%. So this look like this is going to be another hail threat come Thursday, you guys. And wind, all right, you guys, we also going to have a little wind threat here. 5% wind threat is highlighted from central to northeast Texas, extending east across northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas into north central Mississippi. So we will be looking out for a few localized damaging wind gusts as well with these storms on Thursday. And as you can see here, this is for 6 a.m., you guys. We already looked at the 6 a.m. You can see heavy rains across northern Mississippi, Arkansas, Oklahoma. Now let's move this along throughout the day here on Thursday. And let's go to about 11 a.m., you guys. And as you can, oh, heavy rain is going to be ongoing here across Alabama. This is going to shift east, Alabama, Tennessee, even into parts of western Kentucky, southern Illinois, Missouri. All these areas of heavy rain is going to be ongoing here. And I want to also take a quick look further up north, you guys. You can see the winter storm that's going to be setting up here across the northern plains, Midwest here. So heavy snow and just that wintry mess is going to be ongoing for the people up north again. So winter is not done there yet. And as we come back to the south, you guys, let's go to about the late afternoon, early evening. And as you can see, the thunderstorms, the showers and thunderstorms from the leading edge of that system. Here we go across Georgia, entering the Carolinas, heavy rain here. And then we start to have the storms starting to pop back up again across the marginal risk here from Texas, Arkansas into Mississippi. And as we move this along further into the evening here, you guys, we're going to go to about 9 o'clock. There we go. Boom, you guys. As you can see, East Central Texas, south of Dallas, the Dallas area, and just south of there, heavy showers and thunderstorms, maybe some isolated severe hail may be falling within northeast Texas here, extending into the Shreveport area. Then all the way across to Arkansas, southern central Arkansas, all these areas, northern Alabama, could be experiencing some locally isolated damaging winds and some severe hail could fall within these storms. So that's going to be it for this one, you guys. Be on the lookout for some heavy rain I will be posting updates as the Storm Prediction Center releases them and the National Weather Service releases the updates, everyone. So be safe, be careful, and if you have some beautiful weather in your area, please get out and enjoy it. What Mother Nature gives us beautiful weather. Everyone be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.